If you want to truly understand how the body works and master your health, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Watch the video all the way through, as I'll not only discuss healthy foods but also explain why they're beneficial. I was going to list the top 10 healthiest foods but realized that's misleading, as it suggests certain foods alone are enough, which isn't true. Instead, I'll talk about categories of healthy foods that work together to provide the nutrients your body needs. First, avoid the idea of superfoods. Foods aren't meant to treat specific health issues but to offer balanced nutrition. Second, be cautious with natural foods. They may still be highly processed. Instead of focusing on single items, I'll discuss food categories. Non-starchy vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are high in nutrients and low in carbs. Also include vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower that are low in starch. Berries. These are the best fruits because they are low in sugar and high in fiber and vitamins. Opt for strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Animal proteins, meat from grass-fed or naturally raised animals as well as wild-caught fish, offers essential nutrients. Choose beef, pork, chicken, lamb, and fatty fish like salmon. Eggs. Choose pasture-raised eggs for the best nutrients. The yolk should be a deep orange, indicating higher quality. Fats and oils. Natural fats like grass-fed butter, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil are healthy. Avoid highly processed oils. Nuts. Focus on raw nuts like macadamia, pecans, walnuts, and almonds, which are high in healthy fats and fiber. Seeds. Chia, flax, hemp, and pumpkin seeds are packed with nutrients and great for smoothies, baking, or as a yogurt topping. Avocado is a versatile and nutrient-rich food that fits into various dishes and dietary plans. Tubers, root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and turnips are good carb sources but should be eaten sparingly if you're insulin resistant. Herbs and spices, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and others add flavor and micronutrients without many calories. Lastly, a bonus chocolate. Opt for dark chocolate with 78 to 85% cocoa content, as it's lower in sugar and higher in nutrients. Your taste buds will adapt, and you'll find it satisfying without needing much. Thank you for watching and check out my other videos for more health tips.